put too much. 良くなった。すごっ。Good morning, guys. It's kind of cloudy today, but I feel so great for no reason. But yeah, let's go make some breakfast. My hand is shaking. It looks kind of messy because I made a mistake a little bit, but it tastes great. So basically I'm gonna visit my grandparents' house today, so I gotta bring some clothes. I'm still able to wear this because it's called, I'm not sure about the pronounce, but amor dele. It's summer love in French, so you know I'm still able to wear this because it's still summer. Not sure. I got this from my mom. I think it's cute. So I'll talk to you later. Nani? Tenko hanami. Yoko sanko.
Party, party, panic! Ah, what the? Ah, he did it!
Hello friends, I was just editing my video and we're gonna have some lunch, so I'll show you what I have today. なんだっていうのって感じ。So yeah. どれ？
何でも葉っぱ。
お水。Basil that I took right now from there, and just put rest of my spaghetti in it. I woke up at 7 a.m. as usual, but I'm still very tired. And I feel I need some treat. Yeah, so I'm just reading a book. This book. This is what I got. Yeah. Hey friends! So basically I feel like I should back on my routine. I was pretty busy this couple of weeks because I went to Tokyo for 2 weeks and I visited my grandparents' house as well, and I was pretty busy. I'm just about to work out. I haven't been working out for 3 weeks. Oh my gosh.
Who do I call if it ain't you? Tell me who to call if it ain't you. I've been pacing circles in my bedroom. I've been chasing secrets in your heirloom. Let me do what I do, let's slow down. Let me talk to you, don't tell me about your worries. I ain't staying till the afternoon. I liked you in proximity, but now they're so far from the truth. I loved you from a distance, now I can't even stay close to you. But who do I call if it ain't you?
嬉しかったけど、黒ごま。We got some ice creams. I got some ice cream, but it's melting so hard, and my hands are so black because I was holding this in heavy rain.
So far from the truth, I loved you from a distance, now I can't even stay close to you. But who do I call if it ain't you? Tell me who to call if it ain't you. I've been pacing circles in my bedroom.